Welcome to Saz Analytica. My name is Fabian, and in today's video I'm going to go with you through the BTC chart to see what opportunities are in play for us right now. Let's get right into it. I do have the BTC USDT chart from Binance opened right now. And as you can see, I did activate my algorithms. I'm on the daily chart right now, and 4 days ago we did flash a long signal, indicated by this blue triangle here. This gives me an indication that there is a potential uptrend coming pretty soon. Based on my statistics, we do have a 65% probability that this move is going to play out. This is just one indication, and I'm going to go through now some different or some more confirmations that I want to see in order to enter a good long position. So this yellow line here, this is the 800 EMA on the daily chart. I definitely need to see a daily close above this line. So I want to see BTC close at least here with a nice green candle, lots of volume, in order to have a good confirmation that we are ready for the move higher. The next indication that I have is this structure here at the bottom. As you all know, W formations, inverse head and shoulders, etc. Those are accumulation patterns. And right now we do have one pin to the low. We went up a little bit higher, second pin, third pin, and the retracement to the 50 EMA. And this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a retracement back up here into this zone at least. So this here is called an inverse head and shoulders. 1, 2, 3 pins to the low, slight retracement to the 50 EMA, and then we should move away from this. Very good, it's super good what I'm seeing right now here, and I'm looking for this zone here. So I want BTC to at least reach that zone here. Also, if we take a look at our algorithms, whenever a long signal is flashing, we do have an average trade profit of 12.64% statistically seen. Let's check. If we would enter a trade here at this blue entry signal and we go up 12%, we would be exactly at this point here and recovering this candle. Are we going to move higher than that? Is it possible that we can even go up to near the 40K region? Absolutely, yes. Let me show you why I think this is possible. For that, I'm going to open the Bitcoin futures chart. And as we all know, the CME futures gaps, there is one gap here between 34 and 35K and one gap at the bottom. Given the fact that we do have a bullish structure and a good long entry signal, it is a high possibility that we're going to fill this gap sooner than the gap below. But always be cautious when you enter long or short positions. Do not over leverage yourself or do not use too much equity, because in the case of, let's go back to the 4 hours chart on the regular BTC chart. If we do fall on the 4 hours chart below the 800 EMA and below the 50, the longs are no more in play. Then we can definitely move back into this range here, stumble upon there, and maybe fill the gap down at 20K. So keep that in mind when entering long positions right now. But so far, it is looking pretty good. I did enter my long position at around 27,600. Placed a tight stop below the 200 EMA. And yeah, let's see what Bitcoin is bringing us. Also, if we take a look at the news, what we are having common, I always use Cryptocraft. I can highly advise it to you to use Cryptocraft. There you can find all sorts of informations and also do have an economic calendar. And today there is the US average hourly earnings, non-farm employment and unemployment rate. Keep that in mind. that these data can change the movements, can change price significantly today. So be cautious, wait until these numbers are out and then decide what you're going to do. And please join the Discord if you want to be updated always. We do post lots of updates, market insights, and analyses. Joe Saz is also in this channel. You can ask him all kinds of questions according order book trading, and I'm also here to advise and help him out. Thank you for listening, and hope everyone is having a good day and always stay profitable. Cheers.